Hello everyone. This will be our fourth video where we will talk about the importance of automation in renewable energy management and how this optimizes the efficiency and profitability of projects. What are your main doubts or interests in this topic?
Hi. I am interested in understanding how automation can improve contract and operations management in renewable energy projects.
Perfect. Automation in contract management is key. There are advanced tools such as Contractee, which use artificial intelligence to analyze contracts, identify key clauses, and assess risks in real time. This reduces human error and optimizes decision-making. There are also platforms such as ContractPower, which analyze complex contracts quickly, ensuring regulatory compliance.
What about operational management?
On the operational side, energy management systems make it possible to monitor and control facilities in real time. For example, ENERTRAG's Powersystem optimizes production and detects risks early. In addition, automation enables remote monitoring of plants, which improves efficiency and reaction to unforeseen events.
Sounds interesting. But what are the tangible benefits of automation?
The benefits are many. For example, efficiency and productivity. Manual tasks are reduced, and teams can focus on strategic tasks. Error reduction. Contract and operations management errors are minimized. Regulatory compliance. Automated tools ensure regulatory compliance. Cost optimization. Operational and administrative expenses are reduced.
Very interesting. Now, what about dynamic optimization of energy storage?
It is key to balancing generation and demand. Energy storage reduces losses and improves efficiency. Technologies such as lithium-ion batteries and thermal storage make it possible to better manage supply.
Can algorithms be used to improve this process?
Of course you can. Mathematical models can be used to optimize storage location. There are also real-time optimization algorithms, which adjust the operation according to demand and reduce operating costs.
What about reducing energy losses?
There are two types of losses: technical and non-technical. The former are caused by electricity transmission, while the latter are caused by fraud or billing errors. To mitigate them, energy management systems, smart grids, and distributed generation are used.
What about the integration of renewable energies?
The key is to combine several energy sources to reduce emissions and diversify the energy matrix. Adequate infrastructure and support policies facilitate this transition. Storage is also important to manage the intermittency of renewables.
And when it comes to managing contracts in large infrastructures, how do you handle scalability?
In multi-site contracts, centralized negotiation allows for better rates and simplifies management. In addition, energy management systems are used to monitor the consumption of several locations in real time and automate adjustments.
What are the main challenges in this process?
Some challenges include differences in infrastructure, local regulations, and the integration of technologies in different locations. However, with efficient planning, infrastructure modernization, and flexible contracts, these problems can be overcome.
What are the main challenges in this process?
Some challenges include differences in infrastructure, local regulations, and the integration of technologies in different locations. However, with efficient planning, infrastructure modernization, and flexible contracts, these problems can be overcome.
It's all a little clearer to me. It seems that automation is fundamental to the future of renewable energy.
Undoubtedly, the combination of technology, efficient storage, and process optimization allows for a more cost-effective and sustainable energy system.
Perfect. How can I make further progress on these issues?
If you need more information or support in the implementation of these strategies based on AI and multi-agent systems, you can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacharada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize PPA energy contracts.